I like this spacebar. I don't know if it's hollow. I don't hear... I don't think it's hollow. The backspace does have a bit of hollowness on it. Maybe a little bit. Oh, I'm just typing in... Sorry, guys. You guys are seeing me type 0. My bad, dude. I wanted to see what this sounded like and felt like. Here, I'm going to unplug it for this one here. I'm not going to lie, I don't know if I love the alphas. They're good. They're not my favorite, but I really like this spacebar. Am I lagging? Dude, the power just went out for half a second, Zach, so I'm not too sure, man. It'll happen. The power just went out, dude. It's not the biggest difference, but there's definitely some more clackiness to this. Perfect, yeah. So what did we think of the build? What did we think, chat? Has a little bit more character to it, just ever so slightly. Adding a little bit of polyfill. I think this foam here was just causing some... I don't know why this foam, when it's so thin, was causing issues. The cable's quite nice, yeah. It definitely matches the aesthetic. Quite nice. Very, very pretty. Alex, your motivation worked. I'm now doing my switches. There you go, Charlie. I'm proud of you, brother. Hey, Alex, I gotta go. Have a good... Take care, Sterling. We'll talk soon, man. Looks like cheap packing foam. It does look like packing foam. It does look like packing foam, Joseph. Dude, I actually, like... I genuinely don't mind this sound profile. Again, not my favorite typing feel. 1000% not... It's very stiff. There's no movement that happens in this. Like, I think what's gonna happen... Okay, let me show you guys a little... Unplug both these keyboards. Okay, let me show you guys. Let me show you. 1 second. This cable's gonna fall down. Okay, whatever. Okay, here's what I think is gonna happen. When they implement the new leaf springs, I'm hoping it'll be more like this, where we have like lots of movement in the keyboard and that lots of bounce versus literally nothing right now. Stiff isn't a bad thing, but I'm hoping this gives the option to have a little bit more of a softer typing experience in this guy. I do love the sound profile of that spacebar though. That sounds very, very good. Very, very awesome. Oh, so these are layers for the third LED on the top. Okay. Perfect though. Can I share this Viendi, the Viendi? I hope I pronounced that right, by the way. Can I share the default key map with them, by the way? Board looks good. I think the board looks pretty solid. I would definitely, again, there's a few points I would definitely like to see made changes in the future. But I think the board genuinely looks pretty solid. So I do quite like this. I do think it's quite a nice looking board. Alex, exposure 0.7, please. On the top down? You want more exposure? I think I'm going... Oh, I am underexposed. Oops. Don't judge me, chat. I need to up the ISO. We good? It's my lights. They're darker. I have darker lights. Pretty nice though. I do like it. Drink your hoser.